Want a TikTok style edit in your next clip? Well, here's how exactly we build them in Resolve. Add all your clips to the timeline, select all your clips, right click and change clip duration, change it to 12 frames. Then you go up to the edit tab and delete gaps. If you're using this for TikTok or shorts, you go up to your file, go to project settings, go over to your timeline and use vertical resolution. If you're using it for long form, just leave it no check on the vertical resolution. Now go through and resize and readjust all these clips to how you want them to look in Viewer. Bring your playhead to the first cut point, move it over 3 frames. Bring an adjustment clip down and add that to the playhead. Now bring the playhead back over to the cut point and move it to the right 3 frames. Now move the adjustment clip to the end of that. That now makes your adjustment clip 6 frames long. Now with your playhead over the adjustment clip, you're going to go into the Fusion page and we're going to be looking for a directional blur. We're going to use this directional blur and add that to our node tree. Now change the directional blur to a -90. Now if you playhead at the center, which is in this case, since it's 6 frames, we're going to go to the 3rd mark and we're going to keyframe our blur strength right there. We're then going to go all the way to the beginning of the clip and we're going to drop the blur strength all the way down, and that will automatically create another keyframe. Then we're going to do the same to the end and we're going to drop that all the way down, and that will create yet another keyframe. Now go back to the middle or the beginning of the cuts and increase the blur strength all the way to 1. Now with the directional blur selected, you're going to add another node and make that brightness and contrast and add that to the node tree. Now go to the start of your clip and keyframe the gain. Go to the end of your clip and keyframe that gain. Now go to the middle of your clip and add the gain to about 2.0. Now when you go back over to your edit tab and you just want to copy and paste all of your clips. Now when you play this back, you will see that it actually will transition between every cut point. And you can make this and change the direction of the blur, anything you want, the number of clips you have. It's all up to you. Hope you get some use out of this and have a good day.